Good afternoon, guys. Hey, I just got off the treadmill and I came over here and I decided, see if I can get this clock going. I took that to a clock guy a month ago and he was an ignorant son of a gun, I'll tell you. And never did even start on it, so I finally got it from him. I went over and got it and he said, well, I don't know when I'm going to get to it, but, you know, I'm the only guy in town that works on them, so hey, kiss my ass, more or less, you know. So guess what? I figured if that dude can fix a clock, why can't I? You know, I got 2 legs, 2 hands, and a mind. Well, does that look like that's working to you? Yep. The dummy, all he had to do is reach in there and tap one of those little gears. Apparently it got jostled somehow. And when we were cleaning the where it sits, I think it got just a little bit of jostle and just bound it a little. So I just touched it, unbound it, and off it went. Saved myself $150. So I felt so good about that. I thought, well, you know, well, I tried to catch that thing donging. I didn't do it. Let me try it again. Well, it donged. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, this clock has special meaning to me because it was given to me by a friend of mine that was like a brother, and he's no longer walking this earth with the rest of us. And as you can see, it's kind of old. So that's why it's important. Anything I get from somebody, it's important. Well, did you count the dongs? Yep, we're off 2 hours. I got to figure out how to set that. But it worked all night long. I'm happy with that. I don't think I'll have any problem doing the rest of it. Let's just get on that, and we're going to call this a done deal. Yeah, guys, you know, just because you're the only person in town that can do something doesn't mean you should take advantage of people. So, clock's done. Well, as soon as I fix that part, you know, there. We'll get her done. Thanks for watching. I know it's a short one, but I'm kind of pleased with that part. Hope you enjoyed that little video right there. Hey, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a notification on all these videos coming up, and there's a lot of them. Hey, also, if you want to help out this channel a little bit, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You get all the videos way earlier, plus there's a lot of bonus videos on there from all years back. Thanks for watching.